Get into a car with value. 2022 Ford Bronco. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Zoom in on this seriously rugged Ford Bronco, the impressively capable adventure machine that doubles as a comfortable, connected daily driver. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, keyless start, four-wheel drive. Spacious comfort and serious capability blend seamlessly in this stylish Bronco. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.